My wife's a lumberjack, look at that lot. I don't think so, you be careful, that's a big bough, that's a big branch. This mango tree. End of the season now anyway. You can't eat them all. There's a mango tree over there, there's one there that's falling on the ground. Very good. Now get the washing done. Yeah, look at that. Oh, a couple of the orchids. We just chopped all these banana trees down. Well, actually, we had to chop some of them down because when I was chopping this down yesterday, there were a couple of guys here and a couple of branches hit the mango banana trees. Spirit ants with steps. I did ask for why spirits need steps, but that's probably because I do. Look at that determination. Right? There you have it. 45, look at it.